All computers with a Windows operating system include a calculator. To open the calculator, click the Windows icon, scroll down, and select Calculator. The calculator has different modes, and we need the scientific mode to calculate logarithms. To switch to the scientific calculator mode, click the menu, then select Scientific. Decibels, or dB, are commonly used to express power and voltage ratios. Using the formula dB equals 10 times the logarithm of n2 divided by n1. For example, when a power transmission is cut in half from 30 watts to 15 watts, the change in decibels can be calculated using this formula. In this case, n1 is 30 watts and n2 is 15 watts. Perform the calculation right to left. 15 divided by 30 is 0.5. On the calculator, click the log button to calculate the logarithm of 0.5, resulting in negative 0.301. Now multiply this number by 10, then round off to the nearest whole number. This formula reveals that cutting the power in half causes a change of -3 decibels. You can use inverse functions to check your work and convert the decibel value back to a ratio. First, divide your original result of negative 3.01 by 10, giving you negative 0.301. The opposite of a logarithm is the inverse logarithm, 10 to the power of x on the calculator. Clicking this button will result in our original ratio of 0.5.